Thank you for watching this DJI tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of installing the DJI Agras MG1. Feel free to pause the video at any time to perform your own installation. First, let's have a look at what's in the box. Aircraft, 2 landing gear, 1 spray tank, 1 remote controller, 1 radar module. Now, let's start with the installation. Mount the landing gear to the right side of the status indicators. Take out the cable clamp from the landing gear leg and open it. Connect the compass cable to the compass port on the landing gear. Now, secure the clamp and be careful not to damage the cable. Insert the cable clamp and cable into the landing gear and insert the landing gear into the aircraft body. Mount the second landing gear in the same way. Insert the 2 M3X10 screws and tighten them. Confirm that both screws are properly tightened. Mounting the spray tank. Insert the 4 spray tank plugs into the mounting holes on the spray tank. Place the spray tank on the aircraft body, in between the landing gear. Align the mounting holes above the landing gear with the plugs, and insert and tighten the M5X18 screws on each side. Connect the motor cable to the aircraft body. Unfolding the arms. Unfold the arms and tighten the arm sleeve at each of the 8 junctions in order. Make sure that the arms are correctly installed. The M1 and M2 arms should be installed at the front of the aircraft, and the M5 and M6 arms at the rear. Mounting nozzles and hoses. Mount 1 pair of nozzles under the motors on the left-hand side for M3 and M4, and the other pair under the motors on the right-hand sides, M7 and M8, and then tighten the M3X6 screw. Fix the hose to the bottom of the arms and tighten the M3X8 screws. Fix the hose to the delivery pump. Mounting the radar module. Align the mounting holes. Then insert and tighten the 2 M3X8 screws. Connect the radar cable to the radar port below the center board. Fix the hose to the landing gear and tighten the M3X6 screws. Mounting the battery. Insert the battery into the slot in the recessed area above the spray tank. Secure the battery. To power on the aircraft, connect the cable to the power communication port. Then the XT90 cable to the corresponding port. That's it! You have now finished installing the DJI Agras MG1. Thank you for watching.